The world's heaviest, most powerful machines don't wait for opportunity, they create it. Across deserts, mines, ports, and industrial zones, these trucks carry loads that would break ordinary vehicles. This is not transport, this is dominance in motion. The AB 10.5 COMBI is a versatile and high-performance machine developed specifically for the inspection and light maintenance of bridges, viaducts, and railway structures. Measuring 10.5 meters in length, its compact design ensures excellent maneuverability and agility, even in restricted or complex work environments. The articulated arm, with an integrated access basket, allows operators to reach difficult inspection points quickly and safely, significantly reducing setup time and improving operational efficiency. Designed for both road and rail applications, the AB 10.5 COMBI delivers outstanding speed, stability, and safety, making it an ideal solution for routine inspections and light maintenance tasks while ensuring reliable performance and operator confidence on site. Power here is not explosive, it's restrained. The Panther Series 2 heavy low loader is engineered around one principle: control under extreme mass. Designed to move cargo that pushes the limits of road transport, it spreads weight across a wide, multi-axle configuration, keeping massive loads low, balanced, and obedient. Every detail is intentional. The stance, the articulation, the geometry that allows it to turn without drama. This machine doesn't fight gravity. It manages it. When bridges are crossed and tight corners approached, the Panther moves with calm authority, relocating entire industrial structures as if they were carefully placed rather than hauled. It is not the truck you notice for speed. It's the one you trust when failure is not an option. Some machines are built to impress. This one is built to survive. The Kenworth C509 carries the DNA of heavy hauling in its frame. Thick steel, long-nosed design, and a posture that signals endurance before the engine ever turns over. It thrives in environments that punish weaker trucks, remote haul roads, extreme heat, and endless distances. This is a truck designed for days that start early and end late, hauling immense loads without complaint. There's no need for refinement here. Reliability is the luxury. The C509 doesn't chase innovation for its own sake. It relies on proven strength, mechanical honesty, and relentless pulling power. When others slow down, this truck keeps moving, not because it's fast, but because it refuses to quit. Volvo approaches power differently. Instead of overwhelming force, it brings intelligence into the equation. These trucks are engineered to think, constantly analyzing terrain, load, traction, and efficiency in real time. Advanced drivetrains, automated systems, and precision engineering work silently beneath the surface, turning raw horsepower into controlled performance. Where other trucks react, Volvo predicts, fuel use is optimized, torque is delivered exactly when needed, and driver fatigue is reduced through technology that smooths every kilometer. On highways, construction sites, and long-haul routes, this machine proves that dominance doesn't always roar. Sometimes it whispers, calculates, and executes perfectly. The Kress Corporation ST330T is a purpose-built rail maintenance vehicle engineered for power, precision, and productivity. Designed to handle demanding rail operations, the ST330T combines robust construction with intelligent engineering to deliver reliable performance in track maintenance, inspection, and material handling. Its high-capacity drivetrain ensures smooth operation even under heavy loads, while the stable chassis and advanced control system provide exceptional maneuverability and safety on rail lines. Built with operator comfort in mind, the ST330T features an ergonomic cabin, clear visibility, and intuitive controls. This is not a single truck. It's a moving system. The BIS dual-powered road train stretches across the landscape like a mechanical convoy, built to haul massive volumes over extreme distances where infrastructure is thin and conditions are unforgiving. What sets it apart is collaboration. Multiple powered units working together, distributing force across the entire length of the train. Instead of one engine struggling against weight and resistance, power is shared, synchronized, and multiplied. On long mining hauls, steep gradients, and endless dirt roads, this design reduces strain, improves control, and keeps momentum alive. It doesn't rush, and it doesn't stop unless it chooses to. In regions where supply lines are lifelines, the BIS road train becomes the artery, carrying fuel, ore, and materials through distances that would break ordinary transport. This is logistics at continental scale, moving not with aggression, but with unstoppable persistence. This machine feels less like a truck and more like a moving fortress. The SVYATOVIT EW25M1 is built for environments where terrain is unpredictable and failure is unacceptable. Heavy-duty tires, reinforced structure, and a commanding stance allow it to operate where roads are more suggestion than reality. It doesn't glide, it presses forward, absorbing shocks, resisting instability, and maintaining control under punishing conditions. This is a machine designed for resilience, for regions where infrastructure hasn't caught up with ambition. Every meter it covers feels earned, every movement deliberate. The EW25M1 isn't elegant, and it doesn't try to be. Its strength lies in refusal. Refusal to slow down, refuse the terrain, or surrender to conditions that stop everything else. Here, the story shifts from raw force to orchestration. Scania LBC Frakt represents logistics at its most refined. Heavy transport integrated into real-world commercial flow. This isn't a machine that operates in isolation. It works as part of a system, moving large loads efficiently through public roads, urban zones, and long-distance routes. Balance is its defining trait between power and compliance, size and maneuverability, performance and regulation. Every journey is planned, every movement optimized. This truck doesn't dominate by intimidation, it dominates by reliability. This machine marks a turning point. The Sandvik diesel-electric truck, where brute force meets a new philosophy of power. Instead of relying purely on mechanical drive, it converts energy intelligently, delivering torque with smooth, controlled authority. The result is relentless pulling power with reduced waste. A machine that works harder while consuming less. In mining environments, where efficiency equals survival, this truck operates like a moving power station, optimizing every cycle, every haul, every climb. It doesn't announce the future with noise or spectacle. It simply arrives, performs better, and makes everything else feel outdated. Scale defines this machine. The LIEBHERR TA230 is not meant to share space, it reshapes it. Designed for mining and heavy earth moving, this truck carries volumes that redefine what large means. Massive tires, towering dump body, and structural strength allow it to operate continuously under extreme loads. But size alone isn't its greatest weapon. Stability is. Even when fully loaded, it moves with composure, maintaining balance across uneven ground and steep gradients. This is industrial gravity in motion, cycling endlessly between extraction and relocation. In the economy of mining, the TA230 is not just a vehicle, it's a production unit on wheels. No driver, no hesitation, just execution. XCMG's autonomous electric mining trucks represent a radical shift in how heavy transport operates. Guided by sensors, algorithms, and real-time data, these machines move massive loads with machine-level consistency, day and night, without fatigue. Electric power delivers instant torque and near-silent motion, transforming chaotic mine sites into synchronized systems. There's no drama here, no visible struggle, only repetition, precision, and scale. These trucks don't need motivation or rest. They redefine productivity by removing human limits entirely. This isn't just the future of mining transport. It's the moment when machines stop assisting humans and start leading operations themselves. This machine exists for objects that were never meant to move. The TII Group Brammentransporter is engineered to relocate massive steel slabs and industrial components that push beyond the limits of conventional transport. Low slung, wide, and brutally stable, it carries weight as if the ground itself were part of the machine. Steering systems coordinate dozens of wheels into smooth, precise motion, allowing immense cargo to pass through factory floors and industrial corridors with surgical control. There is no speed here, no urgency, only precision. Every movement is planned, every centimeter intentional. This is transport at its most disciplined, where power is measured not in noise or force, but in the ability to move the immovable without error. The Dramis D150T doesn't operate on roads. It operates on raw terrain. Built for underground and surface mining, this articulated dump truck thrives in environments filled with dust, darkness, and constant impact. Its compact but muscular design allows it to maneuver through tight tunnels and uneven ground while carrying punishing loads. The articulation gives it flexibility. The reinforced structure gives it survival. This machine isn't about elegance or comfort. It's about endurance under pressure. Shift after shift, cycle after cycle, it absorbs punishment and keeps hauling, proving that the harshest environments demand machines that are built to endure, not impress. The Faymonville StreetMAX is engineered for a very specific challenge: moving extreme loads through normal roads, public traffic, tight turns, legal limits. This machine navigates all of it while carrying cargo that looks wildly out of place in everyday infrastructure. Modular design allows it to adapt to different payloads, while advanced steering systems keep massive loads under control in confined spaces. This machine was built for the long game. The Bis Rexx road train is designed to dominate distance, hauling enormous payloads across remote regions where downtime isn't an option. Reinforced frames, powerful drivetrains, and multi-trailer configurations turn it into a mobile freight corridor. It moves steadily, relentlessly, eating up kilometers while carrying loads that would overwhelm ordinary trucks. There's no rush here, only persistence. In mining and industrial operations, the Rexx becomes part of the landscape, a familiar presence on endless dirt roads. It's not flashy, not experimental, just brutally effective at doing one thing better than almost anything else: moving massive weight day after day without stopping. The TimberMAX tells a different story, one shaped by forests, uneven ground, and unstable loads. Designed specifically for heavy timber transport, this machine balances massive length with surprising control. Logs shift, terrain flexes, and traction constantly changes. Yet the TimberMAX remains composed. Reinforced structures absorb stress, while advanced steering systems maintain stability through tight forest routes and rough paths. This isn't about raw hauling power alone. It's about control in chaos. From the first tire turn to the final mile, these machines redefine what it means to move the world. Relentless, precise, unstoppable. They carry industries, reshape landscapes, and prove that when the load is too great for anything else, only the strongest survive. This is heavy transport perfected.